I am now out in Slayton, so excited to be here, joined by Malcolm, super excited. We are out here talking about the South Plains Air Show happening on Saturday. It's going to be a great time. Tell people what they can expect.
Oh, they can expect Bob Carlton and his glider acrobatic act. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. We've got Tor. We've got multiple P-51s, P-40s coming in, so they'll be able to see fighters. Like I said, of course, the Tora act. They get to chase them around a little bit. Pyrotechnics, we've got Ron Kane coming in his chipmunk to do acrobatics. There's a couple things I don't want to talk about here, but we've got a couple other acts that are coming.
So some surprises.
We've got one or two surprises scheduled. Yes, we do.
And so obviously we're out here. There's so many gorgeous airplanes to look at, so it'll be on the ground and flying. Kind of good for the whole family.
Good for the whole family. There'll be plenty of food vendors out here, water. Should be a great time for everybody, and we got plenty of parking.
So people need to get tickets now? How does that work, and how do they get them?
They can actually get them online if they want to. If they'll go to our Facebook page, Texas Air Museum, they should be able to follow the link and be able to buy tickets, or they can get them at the gate.
So we're going to go flying in just a little bit. Super excited to go up in the airplane. Talk about what this air show means to you. I know it's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun too.
It's a lot of fun. No, we've been doing it for about 25 years, actually. We do it every other year. Every odd year, and today you're going to be going up with me in a T-34, which is a trainer used by both the U.S. Navy and the U.S. Air Force.
That's super exciting. I cannot wait, guys. Why should someone come to the air show? You know, maybe someone doesn't know a lot about airplanes. Would they still enjoy it?
Oh no, they'll have a ball. And part of the job of the Air Museum is education, so we can get people interested in it. We have vehicles, we have jets, we have propeller-driven airplanes. It doesn't matter.
On Saturday, tell us a location and hours for people to come out here that want to check it out.
Okay, gates open at 9. Just a second, there's a plane taking off.
It's always active here, I guess.
It's always active. Gates open at 9, show starts at 12, should run till about 3. And like I said, we've got the food vendors and everything set up. It should be a lot of fun. We'll have the Army National Guard out here with some vehicles, recruiting. We've got, in fact, they're even planning to do COVID shots for anybody who wants those.
Okay. Sounds like it's going to be a great time. Thanks so much for being here.
My pleasure. Look forward to flying with you.
Of course. Don't go anywhere, guys. We'll be right back after the break.